Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable your Touch ID on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the options section and click on the first button, security. Tap on turn passcode on, which is the first button. Enter your passcode, re-enter it to confirm, and then tap on the unlock via Touch ID. Add your Touch ID to identify yourself to authorize, and as you can see, you have turned it on. So if you open the app again, you can add your Touch ID. And basically that's it. If you want to turn it off, just go back to this section and click on the button to disable it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.